Brandon Drake, functional nutrition coach that helps resolve people's energy and fatigue issues while also losing weight naturally. Now, what I do is I actually implement the food is medicine strategy in my Vitality Cleanse program, which is a health program. Now, Vitality, I call it Vitality because Vitality means energy and strength, and I help to restore that energy and strength so that you could function at optimal levels. Now, if you want to get to know me more, I'm actually hosting a free health webinar, and that webinar is called The 6 Little Known Culprits That Are Causing You to Become Exhausted and the Fastest Ways to Increase Your Energy for Good. Now, those people that actually attend live, they will get a free ebook called Healthy Delicious Energy Boosting Foods or Recipes, and basically you'll be able to apply that learned material in the form of actual tasty energy boosting foods. Now, those people that can't attend live, you will get an actual recording of my webinar where you can listen to it at your own time. So again, if you want to know more, go to heartfulfoods.com/register where you learn more about me, about the free webinar, and you could also direct message me on that page and I will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. I look forward to hearing from you again. My name is Brandon Drake and I'm a functional nutrition coach and a therapeutic chef at heartfulfoods.com where food is medicine. Peace.